Nigerians will live as slaves in our country because of happy fools where they defend politicians and some daddy freezers where they only insult pastors. Later in the night, go chill with fraudsters. They sound very stupid when you see them on IGTV. Poverty of the mind, for suffering and smiling. Emiloko, don't turn to Emiloko. Even to drink Gary, Nigerians no fear afford them. Nigeria na joke, definition of Shehilo. Talk one thing today, tomorrow you go say you don't talk. People like you, now they make Nigerians they suffer. All the celebrity, we vote for Emiloko. I'll say when they enjoy the poverty in the nation. I'm so short of words. I'm very, very speechless. Unemployment, poor governance, corruption, bad leadership, and the messed up economy, insecurity, kidnapping of our citizens, food no day, farmers no the farm again. What the Nigerians do to deserve this hardship? Every market women they shout, they need power. Massive poverty in our country. Massive poverty. Massive poverty. The rich remain while the poor ones are suffering. The rich remain while the poor ones are suffering. Price still rising, food price still rising, bright price even rising. You can see it in the eyes of my guys. Then yo bale bale, yo bale bale, oh yeah, yo bale bale, yo bale bale, oh yeah. I know the rich remains rich and the poor, but you know, if you build a dope house around the slums, now you know, be the boss, I make the needy living and face me, I face you in no time, then go face you with the guns. Now you know, how we making money, how we paying money, giving back to the same people telling us we need plenty money. New development, the girls are getting kidnapped. Old development, graduates are turning riffraffs. But it is funny, so you see this laugh is accompanied by the shame that we are instead of love. All we do is give slaps on ourselves, we are shameless. And now we need the government to govern our government with shameless. Massive poverty in every country. Massive poverty. Massive poverty. The rich remain rich while the poor ones are suffering. The rich remain rich while the poor ones are suffering. Price